maria mangihota gwetha kihonia kia moritu maria magomeire bururi. Akiaria thingira-ini wa iregi kuria aranyitete ageni utongoria wa dini ya Uithiramu kuma miena itiganite guku bururi-ini, President augite bururi urabatara mutongoria urahunjia thayo.
Allah.
Muthenya wa kana hwaini thingira-ini wa iregi mucii munene wa Nairobi, President Uhuru Kenyatta anyitete ugeni makiria ma etikia 2,000 ya dini ya Uithiramu kuma miena itiganite guku bururi-ini riri marakungwira mweri mutheru.
Rais wetu wa Jamhuri ya
igongona-ini riri President oritia Kenya mathie na mbere na kuhoera bururi na makiria magathura atongoria mena uigiririki no hoti wa kuhurana na moritu maria magomeire bururi, akiuga gutire hindi bururi ukaga mathina na moritu ngurani.
The fact that any Kenyan, wherever you may be, whatever your color, whatever your race, whatever your religion, whatever your gender, that you are free and feel that Kenya is your home.
Ahuriire ndefe mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga, akiuga nowe mutongoria uria wagirirwo na uri na uhoti wa gutwarithia bururi na mbere eta president wa gatano, akiuria muingi ukamuthura.
Leo hii angalia, tuko na Joho amekaa hapa na tumepingana kama sijui nini. Tuko hapa na Abdul Swamad ambaye tumepingana sijui kama nini. Lakini we are together. Why? Because we have been able to elevate the country beyond the individual. And we have been able to see that our unity of purpose as a nation is much better than an individual's ambition.
Orita ria keri, President ahananĩtie ũtongoria wa bũrũri na ihenya rĩa kũnenganĩrĩria kamuti, akiuga atĩ mũthingi wa thirikari ĩrĩa ĩkoragwo itĩ-inĩ wambagio nĩ thirikari ĩrĩa ĩkoragwo wathani-inĩ hau kabere.
Kazi ya kujenga taifa sio rahisi vile watu kufikiria. Sio rahisi. Ina mawimbi mingi. Ina mawimbi mingi. And it requires a steady hand. Not a hand that looks at everything from a selfish point of view.
Ciĩgiĩ ũthii wa na mbere bũrũri-inĩ, President Uhuru Kenyatta augĩte thirikari ĩhotete kũrĩkia imwe cia tabarĩra kumana na thayũ ũrĩa wonekire mageithania na Raila Odinga.
Kwa sababu yale ambayo tumetenda pamoja. Nashukuru ya kwamba taifa letu la Kenya, pahali ambapo tupo, we have taken many steps forward. Many steps forward. We have achieved a lot together. Kuna maendeleo katika sehemu za taifa letu la Kenya, pahali ambapo wengi hawakuamini waweza waone stima ama barabara. Leo hii wanaenjoy haya.
Atongoria ya dini ya Uithiramu merite President Uhuru Kenyatta atĩ nĩ mekũnyitana nake gũkinyanĩria kĩroto gĩake gĩa ituĩka.
Because everything what you have done, Your Excellency, is in the right way. It's for unifying communities. And the agenda you have of unifying the nation, and today you have brought us here as a community, that is a great agenda.
And it's a wonderful time of acts of charity. And today you've demonstrated one of the biggest acts of charity that we know, bringing all of us together to eat together, to have iftar together. So again, we thank you very much, Your Excellency.
As we enter this last phase of electioneering process, we pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to guide and grant you, Your Excellency, with wisdom and fortitude to take our nation through a peaceful transition in the next political administration.
So nataka nikwambie kama Muislamu kutuita hapa unatambua kama Kenya ni nchi ya dini zote.
Ngĩribotera iNooro TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Victor Kinuthia.
Gikundi kia huri biacara hamwe na mwaho wa atumia ngwataniro-ini ya Azimio la Umoja nimendekithitie mutongoria wa na Kenya Martha Karua akindirwo ta munini wa Raila Odinga kitahitano-ini gia giturwa gia president. Maugite ota Odinga, Karua akoretwo ari wa mbere gutetera ihoto cia Kenya kugiririria ungumania na kuregana na wathani wa githuri, na uguo kuonania aya eri ni wagiriru makiria gutongoria bururi. Wangari Maria wa Muigana ari na uhoro makiria.
Matongoretio ni mubunge wa Nairobi Esther Passaris, uria wari munini wa mucirithania munene Nancy Baraza, hamwe na atongoria na muingi uria uranyita mbaru ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance ni mahuriire ndefe mutongoria wa na Kenya Martha Karua, makimutugiria ta mutongoria withuranire na wonanitie uigiririki munene utongoria-ini.
As somebody who has stood firm against corruption consistently over the years, as somebody who has been known to be a no-nonsense, no-mediocrity kind of leader, that is just not a woman. That is a leader and the kind of statesman that this country needs to move to the next level.
We cannot have a better voice than the representation and Martha being the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya.
Ungumania na uhuthiri moru wa indo cia muingi atongoria aya maugite ni mamwe ma maundu maria makoretwo mari muigwa bururi-ini na mateterithĩtie utongoria wa Raila Odinga na Martha Karua ni ugwikia bururi mbere hari kurua na maundu maya kuona nio makoretwo makirua namo.
You've worked together and given us a very good government at some stage. You have fought together to give us the freedoms that we are enjoying. You have risked your lives for the sake of Kenyan people.
Makiria na uguo ni magathiriirie ngwataniro ino makiuga niwe kuite cioneki iria irahutia a Kenya ikero ciothe hatari muthutukanio.
We are ready to walk a journey of socio-political and economic transformation to deliver one country, one people, one destiny.
Martha makes changes. Martha will change this country into what we want it to be.
And for me, there is no small or big service. It's just service. In whatever space you are in.
Oho Karua ni arathingata ithurano cia thayo itari na ngui.
We should not have any violence. This is a game of persuasion. And we should not have crooked or manipulated nominations or elections. And there's something you and me, I'm not talking of IEBC, you and me can do to make the elections better.
Gerifotera iNooro TV, Getu Wangari Maria wa Muigana.
Kaunti ya Marsabit ni imwe ya kaunti inyanya iria ihatiriirio ni ng'aragu guku bururi-ini, undu uria ucungireirio ni wagi wa mbura kwa ihinda iraya. No mweri-ini uyu mutheri wa Ramadhan, aikaria kaunti no mari na undu wa kwirahira thutha wa andu a wendi mwega kunyitanira na thirikari kuheana uteithio wa irio.
Aikaria kaunti ya Marsabit makoretwo magikaira thirikari na andu a wendi mwega kumaririkana na kumatwarira irio na mai mangihuthira kumana na mororo ma ng'aragu iria magumeire, ciana na atumia aritũ makirikana nio mahutĩtio na njĩra nene. Kiriro kiao kiguciriirie andu a wendi mwega matongoretio ni kambuni ya ukinyaniria ya Safaricom aria mambite kambi kaunti-ini ino gutigirira ni matuga ikari na irio cia kumatirithia thiku kahiri rungu rwa mubango uria urakurikana ta pamoja tuungane,
which is an initiative which has been orchestrated across Safaricom and other corporates, civil society and the media community to supplement what government has been doing in supporting communities that are affected with food shortage.
This particular area has missed 4 consecutive rainy season, meaning 4 consecutive crop failure.
Kambuni ino ya Safaricom iruguritie mubango uyu guteithiriria kuungania mbeca kuma kuri a Kenya, kambuni cia andu kiumbe na kuma kuri honge cia thirikari cia guteithiriria kugura irio ona indo ingi cia mahuthiro iria cikuheo aria magumeirwo ni ng'aragu.
The objective of Ungane is to bring together Kenyans together with corporates to actually make contributions either in form of bonga points or cash, which will then be redeemed to enable us to be able to buy food.
tiga kaunti ya Marsabit uteithio uyu no utanyitwo gutwarwo kaunti-ini ingi mugwanja irigomeirwo ni ng'aragu na njira nene riri thirikari yaniriire namba ya Akenya aria magomeirwo ni ng'aragu yaya kuongerereka angikorwo mbura ya kimera giki ndikura ta uria gutanyitwo. Ngiribotera iNooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.
Akenya ni moretio matige mutugo wa guthutukania andu aria me murimu wa kura thakame muno indi magreire kumakuatha na kumahe kiande gia kurera riria mabatara uteithio. Miario no erekereirio igongona-ini ria gukungwira muthenya wa andu aria mari na thina uyu kuria arwaru matareirie thina munene uria makoretwo naguo wa kuona dawa.
Niko on medication ya manage the blood clot, which imeleta another complication with my hip joint inanisumbua, which nafanyiwe surgery kutuliza pain, natumia the pain killers. Watu wengine unaweza kwa nazo na umesahau kununua, utumie zote na usahau kununua, so unapata hiyo episode na kupata kama uko kwa nyumba na una dawa yoyote.
So it is our responsibility kushika hawa wamama mkono, the families zile ziko na watoto kama hawa, tuone hawa watoto pia wanakuwa, and we can get professors out of this group. Vile mmesikia, so kuna wengine wako campus, what has prevented them? So wamesoma, wako na akili, so we should not give up on them. Tushikilie, tuwalee, tuwasaidie, tuwapatie information, tuwasupport in whichever way we can.
Ruhonge rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Meru nĩ rũrekereirie riboti ya mwaka wa 2019 nginyagia 2021 ĩrĩa yonanĩtie atĩ namba ya atumia arĩa maroka kwamũkĩra ũtungata wa kũheo ciana thibitarĩ-inĩ nĩ yongererekete. Matewandia wa Mũrĩithi nĩ aratarĩria.
Kuringana na uthuthuria uria wikitwo ni rubonge rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Meru gatagati-inĩ ka mwaka wa 2019 nginya mwaka wa 2021 yonanĩtie atĩ nĩ gũkoretwo na wongerereku wa atumia arĩa mokaga kwamũkĩra ũtungata wa kũheo ciana thibitarĩ-inĩ gatagati-inĩ kao arĩa airĩtu ma ũkũrũ wa thĩ wa mĩaka 20 arĩa manyitĩrĩire gĩcunjĩ kĩa 38 harĩ igana
We have seen an increased improvement in the coverage of mothers that are delivering in our health facilities and are skilled birth attendants. And so far, since the last 2 years, we have seen an improved coverage of home health facility deliveries.
Riboti ĩno ningĩ yonanĩtie atĩ mwaka wa 2021 namba ya arĩa mokaga kũbanga ũciari nĩ yaikũrũkire na gĩkĩro kĩa 4.7 harĩ igana.
Another gap that we have seen in the county is a reducing number of availability of our commodities in the facilities, and this one I think the management, the county health department is looking into it.
No ona gũkĩrĩ ũguo ataaramu aya maugĩte ũndũ magegetie nĩ kuona mbara cia mũciĩ nĩ ciongererekire mwaka wa 2021 ũkĩringithania na mwaka wa 2020.
2020 we had 1,182 cases of sexual gender-based violence reported in our outpatient facilities, and in 2021 we have seen that number double to over 2,000. And this is also another issue.
Ibida-inĩ rĩu rũbonge rũrũ rugĩte nĩ rũreka ũrĩa wothe rũngĩbota gũkũ rũkĩbũrwo njeki nĩ thirikari ya Meru nĩguo kũgacĩrithia ũtungata wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ kaunti-inĩ ĩno. Ngĩribotera iNooro TV, njĩtagwo Masi Wandia wa Mũrĩithi.
Kaunti ya Vihiga nĩ rugũrĩtie tabarĩra ya thikimu ya ũrĩmi wa maĩ mwena wa Milabi na gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa Bunyole ya gatagatĩ. Gavana wa kaunti ĩno Wilberforce Tichilo augĩte tabarĩra ĩno ĩrĩa ĩratanywo kũhũthĩra mũigana wa ciringi mirioni 40 ĩrongoreirie kwarahũra ũrĩmi ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũkĩhwererekera icigo-inĩ imwe kumana na wagi wa mbura. Wangari Maria wa mũigana nĩ aratarĩria.
Itemi ya kwarahũra ũrĩmi kaunti-inĩ ya Vihiga, thirikari ya kaunti ĩno nĩ rugũrĩtie tabarĩra ya ũrĩmi wa maĩ thikimu ya Milabi.
Tutaanza na wakulima 154, lakini baadaye wataongezeka
hata watakuwa zaidi ya 500 kulingana na vile watatumia maji. Na hii mradi itabadilisha maisha ya watu hapa na kwa Vihiga kwa jumla.
Gavana wa kaunti ino Wilberforce Otichilo augite tafarira ino ikuhuthira milioni 40 na igutamburuka kuma gicigo-ini kia Wemilambi nginya Bunyore ya gatagati na irongoreirio kuria wa mboga cia kiriu undumwe na cia kimerera.
Wakati hii dunia mzima watu wanataka kula mboga. Mboga ya kienyeji sasa ndio iko na bei kali. Kwa vile mboga ya kienyeji haina madhara yote kwa mwili, inaleta afya mzuri kushinda hii nyama ambayo tulikuwa nafikiria ndio mzuri.
Tumejenga pia tangi ingine kule Sirave. Watu wa Sirave kupitia kwa ile Mbwali Road wanapata maji mpaka pale Irumbi. Watu tayari wanakunywa maji. Hiyo ni kazi yako.
Wale ambao wamepanda miti karibu na mto, at least 30 meters. Tunataka hii miti siwe 30 meters kutoka kwa mto. Tutamuomba hii miti mkate porapore, muuze, na sisi tutamletea miche ya ile miti ambayo hainyonyi maji.
Tafarira ino irigereirwo kurika mweri-ini wa 9 mwaka uyu. Ngiribotera iNooro TV, Getu Wangari Maria wa Muigana.
Hau ne hote gutirihira mutamburuko itu wa mohoro ma umuthi ma iNooro Miaraho. Ngatho cia mwanya kuri andikitwo othe a mohoro ne gukinyaniria mohoro maya thina mbere na gutuika maitho ma mwiroreri witu o kuria guothe muri. Hatikiri undu ngicemania wona cihanda thaa 1 cia hwaini. Nie Ngetwa Jambi wa Njaogia na muthenya mwega.
Niaje, unajua juzi nilisikia kuna politician fulani alisema kitu controversial sana, lakini si unajua vile watu saa zingine upenda kuongeza chumvi kwa story. Mimi nilikuwa nataka kujionea mwenyewe nisidanganywe. So ngoja kiasi. Yes, sasa mimi sikungoja kuambiwa. Nilipata the full story hapa kwa simu yangu kupitia app ya Citizen Digital. Hata wewe unaweza pata hii app pia. Unataka nikuoneshe?
Stay informed on all the news and events as they happen across the country, the continent, and the world at large. Download